model, 68-plate Fiat Fullback Diesel Special Edition 2.4 180hp Cross Double Cab Pickup Automatic Low Miles Pickup Lovely color bargain. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 58,544. Engine, 2,442 cc 4N16A. Transmission, automatic 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect, turbo has been turbo will need replacing, stripped to diagnose this throughly. Engine is 100% all good, runs fine. Has been checked by a few mechanics to make sure this is bang on. Automatic gearbox is fine too, with no issues and no fault codes either. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, very well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, parking sensor.